Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Welcome back to Gladys Dibere, living clutter free. I'm so excited to have you guys tune back for another video. Now today's video is a very exciting one. I say that for all my videos, but this one I actually love it. Today we're going to talk about how to make your kitchen minimalist, how to live in a minimalist kitchen, wherever the title is going to be. Anyways, it's how to make your kitchen minimalist. Many people struggle in their kitchen. As you saw in my previous video, I showed you guys my minimalist kitchen. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below. Go ahead and take a look at it. But many people struggle in the kitchen because the kitchen is busy. Everyone is in the kitchen. Dishes and dirty, everything ends up in the kitchen. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can make it less clutter. Let's get into the video. Let's do it. You know, when the notebook comes out, something great is about to come out, okay? Guys, number one, don't kill me. Don't kill me. No drying rack. Especially the plastic one from the Family Dollar store. The ones we all use in our apartments. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. This cheapens your space and makes it look clutter. It just makes it look so messy. Get rid of that, especially the colorful ones. Get rid of it. Now you may wonder, Gladys, what can I do to dry my dishes? Let them air dry. Or take a hand towel and dry them. Clean one preferably. But I don't do that. I just remove the water out of it and put it into the dish. And put it into my, into my cabinet. Or if you have a, dishwasher, let them air dry there, okay? Sorry. Number two, don't come for me, okay? I'm coming right out the bat with some punches. Number two, get rid of the stickers from your fridge. Why? Why, guys? Why? Get rid of it. I know your kid drew you some really pretty, God knows what. I know. I have four of them. Three of them go to school. And then they bring me all sorts of stuff. It doesn't go on the fridge, guys. That makes your kitchen look so messy. And the purpose of this video is to make your house or your kitchen look minimalist, less clutter. Let me add a bonus to that, okay? Get rid of anything that is on top of the fridge. Not only on the fridge, but on top of the fridge. People put baskets there where they put fruits and put organization, paper towel, extra things. I know if you have a small kitchen, I understand where you might find extra storage, but not on top of your fridge. I'm telling you, the first thing the eyes does, it goes straight on top of the fridge and it thinks, it just looks messy. It looks messy. Guys, don't kill me. To this video, I'm telling you, get rid of anything on top of your fridge and on your fridge. The calendars, the magnets from vacation, your Paris stickers, get rid of it. Not every appliances have to be on your countertop, guys. Your coffee mug, your coffee maker, your Keurig, that's a coffee maker, yes. Everything that you use, pancake making machines, everything does not need to be on your countertop. It just looks messy. It makes it feel very cluttered, it makes your kitchen feel very lived in. I know we lived in our house and we want to be like we lived in our house, but yeah, no. Just one small thing, I will give you that. If you use it every day, you can keep it there. But seriously, even if you use it every day, just store it when you're done. That's it. Get rid of it. Guys, use baskets in your pantry. People ignore this. This is what your kitchen looks clutter. Basket gathers things. You can literally dump everything in the basket. Out of sight, out of mind. But especially in your kitchen, especially in the pantry area, your basket is very important. Instead of storing food just laying food on the shelf like this, it just looks messy, you know. So put them in a basket, preferably with its kind. So if it's canned goods, with the canned goods, canned beans, canned tomato cans, and purees and things like that, preferably in this with this type of food, you know. And baskets also on the countertop. What is it called? Vases on the countertop. I use this huge vase or vase that I put fruits and vegetables bowl. That I put fruits and vegetables and things like that, and I have it on my countertop instead of just having. You'll be shocked. People have just banana, right, just sitting there like that on the countertop like this. Put it in a basket. It makes it very presentable, very good looking, but most importantly, very clean. Remove things from your countertop. Now, previously we spoke about removing coffee maker and pancake maker and whatever things like that, things that you use to cook or whatever. But this time we want to talk about remove things from your countertop as a whole. Guys, many people leave little things on the countertop, little knickknacks, you know, like coffee mugs and I don't even know. But things that do not belong, remove them from their countertop. They just make the space feel very clustered, feel very used because you have so much stuff on the corner. It looks cluttered, basically. Just make it very simple. Remove it from your countertop. These are small little things that I'm telling you, but I promise you, you will do it and you will love it. After, you can come and comment, Gladys, I did it and I love it. Dishes in the sink. Dishes in the sink. I'm a mama of 4. I am married. We are 6 people. I feed my kids. We eat and we have dirty dishes. Now I tell you, every time as I cook and I clean as I go, oh my God. As I cook and I keep adding the dishes in the sink, and when I'm done, I'm tired, and then it just looks messy, it looks dirty, and then I'm tired. No matter how beautiful your space is, no matter how, you know, clean your space is, every time you have dishes in your sink, it just looks messy. It looks, you know, and then it can accumulate, which, you know, makes your space look very cluttered. So I will encourage, do the dishes as you go. If you have little kids to help you, have them do the dishes. If they're old enough, have them do the dishes as they're eating, when they're done eating and they're clean off the table. When we are done eating at home, especially downstairs, I tell my kids, débarrasse la table, which means remove the things from your table. You know, it's a formal way of saying, you know, clean up after yourself. And the kids, they take paper towel, they clean on the table, remove the soups and everything like that, the rice bits, and they put it in the trash, and then they take the dishes, they wash it. If you feel like the one that's the little one, like my Nazareth, I just tell him, just leave it, mommy will do it, because oh my God, 1 fork takes like so much water just to wash 1 fork. So I'm just like, leave it. But get rid of the dishes in the sink, which makes your space feel cleaner and looks less cluttered. Clean your countertop from mail. Clean your countertop from kids' homework. I know your countertop is huge. You know, that's where everyone gathers. The kids can come with their homework, do their homework. When it's done, literally get rid of it. Remove it from the countertop. It doesn't belong there. Your visual health is very important, okay? It's very important. Visual health is very important. A lot of people have mail that just stuck like this. When you go and you grab your mail from your mailbox, come open it, see what you need to see what you need to keep away, what is important, pay for or whatever, rip the rest, put it in the trash. Get rid of it. Do not keep it on your countertop. It just makes it look very messy. Last but not least, make sure everything in the kitchen has a space. That simple. Make sure everything in the kitchen has a space. If everything has a space, at the end of the night, you can go ahead and get rid of everything from the countertop, from the surfaces, and put it back in their space, right? Because if something doesn't have a space, it's just sitting there, like the fruit has no fruit basket. So it's just sitting there. I preferably a fruit bowl instead of a fruit basket. I think it looks much better, but whatever suits your boat. But make sure everything is placed back in their space, you know, like the dishes. Don't leave them in a dish rack drying. put them away. So make sure everything has a space. Thank me later. Thank you so much, guys. I hope these tips has helped you to live a simple and clutter-free lifestyle. If you like this video, go ahead and click on the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you're not new here, let me know what you like about this video. Comment. I love seeing you guys' comment. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you guys. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Bye, guys.